Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll pack together to Greece. It's a week trip and I want to show you what I'm taking with myself and let you judge if it's too much or no. Okay, let's get started. Here I have all the clothes I prepared for my Greece trip and I want to show them all to you. I think we'll do it in a way I will be just picking them and showing you guys how I look in the clothes, how I fit the outfits, and yeah, it's something new but worth trying. Okay, I hope you'll like it. At first is actually this set with the shirt. Okay. Basically looks like this. It's very casual, comfy. I think I like to have something like this when I don't feel like wearing anything special, just to feel comfortable and yeah, something to cover, something to wear if it's warmer, and this is the first look. The next we have this cute little dress with cherries on it. I just think it will be a great pick for Greece when I feel myself cute and want to go out, have something to eat, or just enjoying sightseeing. I will be moving quite quickly, so I will have time to show you everything. So yeah, I will just show you another outfit. This is the next outfit, which is very romantic, and you'll see in a moment when I will be showing you all the outfits that I'm into red color, and I really like how it fits to my skin tone and just feel very comfortable in this color. You will notice how many products I actually have in red. I'm very excited to wear this one. Right now, I will show some bikinis, something for the beach, then we'll move to dinner options. I decided I'm gonna take actually 5 different bikinis, as where else I would be able to wear daily bikinis if not Greece. I'm definitely going to swim a lot there, so the more the better. This is the first option. I really like the cut of the bottom part, which is kind of high-waisted type of the bottom. It's very small, so I like the tan lines it makes, and the top is also lovely, and the vibrant colors, which I really like. This is the next outfit I'm taking. It's bikini and a piece of material of fabric. You can tie however you want, like making a dress from it. I will not do it right now because I have a microphone, but usually I like to wear it as a skirt covering my bottom. Till now, I wasn't sure about this bikini, and I decided I'm gonna give it another try, and I'm taking it with me. We'll move to another bikini right now. This set you already saw on my another video when I was reviewing Kai brand, and I have also this dress, which I already showed you in another video as well, so I will try it on quickly. This is an outfit I'm going to wear to sleep and just enjoy my mornings. So I wanted to quickly show you because it's so beautiful and cute and I just love it. Till now, I was showing you all the outfits you already was able to see in different previous videos. So I skipped my talking and just showed you what I want to pack. And right now we have the next beach outfit. It's all black. I made the skirt from the dress. I'm taking it as I can wear it in two different ways. I think it looks cool, chic. Yeah, I will show you the next one right now. This is another version of wearing bikini with something, and this dress is basically made for a beach vibe. And I couldn't go to Greece without taking this dress because I don't have many occasions to wear it, so I could not miss this one. This is another dress I could not miss packing to Greece because as the previous one, this one is, as you can see, see-through, and actually I just imagine it only wearing on the beach. Perhaps I will find different styling option for those two pieces I just showed you, but we'll see in the future. For now, it's going with me and I will enjoy it. This is another red option in my luggage. As you could see, it's quite a lot of them. This is one of my favorite recent swimsuit I have. I like the quality of it and the design as well. I matched it with see-through skirt, which is actually from different set, but don't be afraid to mix stuff. Just wear it as you like it. Also, to red bikinis I'm taking this dress, which I will show you in a moment. It's amazing, vibrant. I love it. You'll love it too. I think that this outfit speaks for itself, and I don't need to add anything more than I simply love it. I'm obsessed with it. this is the very last piece I wanted to show you. Maybe not the very last, because I also taking this shirt as a cover when I'm going out for a dinner. Usually it's going to be a cover for my elegant dresses, and this one is also like morning vibe dress, maybe something I will sleep in. Yeah, that's it. It seems a lot. I will probably add some stuff to my luggage, but it's general all I'm going to take for now. Yeah, let me know in the comments, what do you think about my choices? What do you think I missed? If you like the vibe, the style of those clothes, if you imagine me wearing them in Greece or no. Also, if you're not subscribing me yet, don't forget to click subscribe button and notification bell so you won't miss my future videos. If you want to be updated with my adventures from daily life, you can follow me on Instagram and TikTok, and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye!